Hello, I'm Andy, the Schnucks cheese guy. Join Schnucks this May as we celebrate the dairy farmers and cheesemakers that bring America's finest cheeses to our tables. Cheeses that are unique to our region, to our state, and to our country. For the entire month of May, visit our stores and look for these yellow stickers placed on all American Artisan cheeses, and know that your purchase will support families like David Hemme and his sons at Hemme Brothers Farmstead Creamery. The Hemmes make some of the best cheddars you'll ever try, and they're just down the road in Sweet Springs, Missouri. My favorite cheese from Hemme Brothers is their Brothers Keeper aged cheddar. Here are 3 reasons why I love this cheese. 1, it's a strong, buttery flavor with a hint of toasted nuts. 2, it's got this little crunch that you find in aged cheeses that's so much fun, and it pairs really great with a Malbec or an IPA. And 3, if you throw in some pistachios and some dried cherries, you can have yourselves a perfect pairing. Stop by your local Schnucks this month and explore our selection of American Artisan cheeses, or leave a question in the comments and we'll be happy to spread our love of cheese with everyone.